Guys, what is the problem, guys? Sorry for this audio and voice. We're gonna play some Jelly. Jelly just uploaded a new game. I really want to see the see-through, so I'm gonna afford that. Trying to, so yeah, let's go. I'm the pink guy, piggy, licky guy. What I like about it because it's gonna help you up there.
Tao lang ito rin sa atin.
Those skeletons will help you up.
Tao ang ito rin
Class
natin
like
sa kanila.
this.
Ang ito rin naman sa atin sa kanila. Aso tayo eh.
There.
Wala tayo ano eh. Ha?
This will juke you if it's
Aso
near
tayo sa
the
nag-upos sa
home
sana.
where like you're going more
Bakit?
stuff.
Kalpis ako eh.
Hindi, tinatanong kita, isda ka ba? Bakit nga? Bakit kinakain mo yung mga,
Sorry this again. I'm gonna play some new game, baby.
lago sa ato, di ba?
Basol.
Lago, isda
What
kayo
the
ba, di ba?
heck? What the? Sorry guys.
Yung kita mo
Anyways,
kumain.
we have to wait for the audio. No.
Parang bulati nga. Ano ba yung bulati wate?
Check
Tumas
my
lalo na
picture.
lupa.
Isda ka ba?
Dude, what the heck?
Oh, kinain mo wate.
Bakit?
Let me check the
Kasi
stores.
yung, di ba, yung pamain
No,
sa...
eh.
Oo.
What
Kinakain
the?
niya eh.
Wate ka ba?
What?
Di ba? Manok ka ba?
Can't come back.
Hindi manok ka ba?
Oh, friends. Unlock jelly.
Ano sabi? Wate ka
Hindi
ba?
mo naman,
What
bakit?
the heck?
Bakit?
I really want to get the angel. Hey, let's just go to classic. Like,
Di ba? Pag manok ka, lilim-liman yung itlog, di ba?
so for this,
Ayos, di ba? Ayos na hindi. Ayos na hindi.
my dad's
Ayos pa
drinking.
hindi.
That's why. That's a problem again. So for this again, gotta get coins. Get coins. 100 coins for watching this for no reason.
Balik na sa aso.
Yeah. Zukazama Zukazama. Sorry for this audio, you can't maybe hear me. Yo.
Ko na bahay na dun sa kanto.
Hindi kasi yung buong pamilya nila yun.
Lula niya pala yun, pero hindi ko alam.
Kapis.
Iloilo siya, Iloilo.
Kapis.
Sukasagama.
Kapis.
Sige.
Basta kay partner na si Lilo. Amo na
Fun.
yan. Nagdakta na yan.
Pag sa
Kumahanap
kapis
ka.
Yo, let's go, boy.
Kuya, malayo pa ako. Malayo pa ako. Yung matanda na yun.
Dad,
Kapis.
Yan. Gumaganon sa
I was only in 4 guys. My high score was 8, but my friend helped me through in 12
Ganun parating na.
for that.
Baruwas. Ano kapis yan?
Oh,
Baruwas.
Alam ko yung pamuwad ko.
oh, guys, you see the coins there?
Kaya totoo kuya,
Ano
tumuwad.
nakita mo?
Basta pamuwad lang kuya.
Tumuwan lang.
I really like the pig. Pigs are actually a lot helpful for me. See, guys, this can is helpful also.
Ang Muslim?
'Cause it's nice.
Magsala yun, magsala.
Yo. I really want to see my picture. I want to do a video of this, but yeah. This is my last one. If I die, yeah, that's gonna be a wrap up for today. It's gonna be a wrap up for today now. So, if you guys make time, if you like this video, just like this video. Yeah. So yeah, if you like this video, dislike it. If you like this video, like this. Yeah, please subscribe and to my channel. And see you guys next time. Peace.